Experiencing echo noise problems during calls on your iPhone. This can be frustrating, but there are several ways to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Here is how to fix echo noise problems on your iPhone. Enable voice isolation. Try to call anyone on iPhone. Open dialer. Type 123 for example. After calling, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap the microphone and location icon which is named in Call Service and System Service. Select Voice Isolation. After that, try to restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 2. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the echo noise is gone during calls. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Reset all settings, enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to default but won't delete your data. Check if the echo noise is gone during calls. This is how you can fix echo noise problems on your iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.